Hey scientists! Welcome back to Kids Academy. Today we're making something bubbly, colorful, and totally magical. Our very own lava lamp. And the best part? We're using things you already have at home. Let's get ready together. Hair tied? Check. Sleeves up? Check. Science mode activated. Here's what we need: a clear bottle or jar and some water. Oil, food coloring, a fizzy tablet like Alka-Seltzer, and a paper towel for our science station. Science space ready, curiosity ready, let's begin. First, fill your bottle about 1/4 full with water. This is the base of our lava lamp. Now add oil all the way to the top. Watch closely. The water stays at the bottom and the oil floats on top. That's because oil is less dense than water. It's lighter. Time for color. Add a few drops of food coloring. Look at that. The color sinks straight through the oil and mixes with the water at the bottom. That's because food coloring is water-based, so it loves joining the water party. Now for the fun part, our fizzy tablet. Break it in half, drop it in, and watch. Whoa, look at those bubbles. The tablet is reacting with the water to make carbon dioxide gas. The gas forms bubbles that carry the colored water up through the oil, and when the bubbles pop, the color sinks back down. Up, down, just like a real lava lamp. So what's happening here? Oil and water don't mix. They stay in layers. The fizzy tablet makes gas bubbles. The bubbles lift the colored water up. When the bubbles pop, the water falls back down. This is a perfect example of density, gas formation, and liquid movement, all in one experiment. Real lava lamps use heat to move the wax up and down. We're using gas bubbles instead, a kid-safe version. If you add a flashlight under your bottle, it turns into a glowing nighttime lava lamp. You can keep the experiment going by adding more fizzy tablet pieces. Scientists, today's treasure wasn't gold. It was the science hiding inside bubbles. Every experiment is like opening a little mystery chest. If you want more bubbling, glowing, magical science, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, what experiment should we do next? See you next time at Kids Academy.